Wow, right in the Helbrecht.
We are talking about Black Templars. We're talking about Space Marines again. We would be doing the Grey Knights one at this point as well, but they don't have a price for the Dread Knight.
Yeah, you can't buy it, and I don't know how that's going to work.
Yeah, and obviously because we do these as Evergreen, we can't just buy a Battle Force box or whatever.
I mean, does anybody even want the Grey Knights video? Because I'd like a range refresh rather than a video.
Yeah, maybe we should just do that, what we want from Grey Knights in 11th edition.
And how much we think it will cost? £10.
Yeah, no, if it's anything like the Votan, it's going to cost us our entire savings. But yeah, we're going to be talking about Black Templars.
Not Fist of the First Templar?
No. But, I mean, you could run them as Fist of the First Templar if you want to.
No, you can't. You need more bits than that.
No.
You need the heresy heads to cut into pieces.
It was, I'll be honest, when I was doing this, I did this one No, I did Salamanders first, had the most fun, did Templars, and I was like, how do I finish this? And then did Votan, and I was like, this is expensive. So unfortunately, I peaked way too early. But yeah, Salamanders.
You should have saved Salamanders at the end.
I should have. Well, there are
just a word on the state of Black Templars. We don't talk about rules in the Army Cost videos in general, but I'm going to break my own rule. Their new book, 10 out of 10. Giving Space Marines their own army rule.
So I'm going to be slightly...
Stick a fork in me, I'm done.
I'm going to be slightly controversial here. They will have their own army rules, but they will have Oath of Moment as well.
Sounds like the topic for another video.
Yeah, we'll do that soon.
How many combat patrols are you buying?
Straight in, 2.
Really?
Yeah, I'm buying 2, and I will explain why. So, at the beginning of 10th edition, and I'll be honest, for a lot of Year 2 as well, combat patrols have been woeful. They've been released, they've launched, and I've gone rubbish.
And
what a load of tosh. And
it was around the time of the Emperor's Children combat patrol. Something happened in the water, and now all the combat patrols are good again?
Yes
mostly.
And no. Like, I still don't really rate Blood Angels and Emperor's Children. I think there's not enough in the boxes.
Blood Angels. What's a Blood Angel?
Oh, that sounds about right. There wasn't quite enough in there to get me excited about it. However, with the later like Space Marine ones, classic, this new Black Templar one actually slaps. So I was just like, So
is it Imperial Fists combat patrol level of slappage? Space Wolves level slappage?
Honestly, yeah. And we'll talk about it now. So jumping straight in, we've got the Emperor's Champion. I've said, obviously because I've got 2 combat patrols, I've gone for 2 of these, it'll cost you 180 points. I can hear you in the comments, you can't have 2 Emperor's Champions, there's only 1 champion, singular, not plural. And you know what, you're right. Play one of them as a marshal, save yourself 10 points. Next up, we've got 2 Crusader squads, and for battle line and for like chaff units within Black Templars, these guys are great. So these guys will set you back 300 points for 2 units of 10, which is brilliant.
Just as a small aside, so you know at the time of recording, you know the meme that's doing the rounds at the moment, the final Ibiza boss?
Yeah.
He looks like a Crusader squad head.
Oh God! Oh please, can you? While we're talking about it, please can you just on camera or something, just have him in the corner? Outrageous! That's so great. Next up, we've got Blade Guard.
I don't need to say anything.
That's it. So you've got 2 units, 6.
Still not enough.
6 Blade Guard in here.
Should be 94.
That is 160 points for 6, which is sad, but also very good at the same time. Are you willing to move on?
Sorry, just thinking about Blade Guard.
Fabulous. Speaking of Blade Guard, Sword Brethren are next.
Weird one.
You get 5 in this box, so 10 altogether. So suddenly you've gone from no swords to 16 swords, can't count, which is very good. So Sword Brethren will set you back 210 points for 2 units of 5. How are we feeling?
It's a really good little combat.
It's a very good box.
I think when you look at it off the cuff of it, you're like, oh, that's all right. And then you look in it, you open it and you go,
yeah.
Hello.
The nice thing with the Emperor's Champion and with the majority of the Black Templar stuff, you get so many good bits.
Oh, Sword Brethren for days.
For sure.
That kit that keeps on giving. I'm still finding bits in my bits box from it.
Well, there you go. So then when it comes to, converting an Emperor's Champion to a Marshal, for example, you have those bits widely available. So just do it because it'll be easy and it'll be cool. Next up, obviously, we have to have the High Marshal Helbrecht in this list. Helbrecht sets you back 120 points and £34. One of the best kits in 40k. I will die on that hill.
Him or Grimnar? It's like choosing your children, isn't it?
Out of which one I prefer?
Yeah.
Honestly, I prefer Helbrecht. Not saying I'm right, not saying I'm wrong. It's just what
I respect it. I can. I'm not sure I could choose.
Yeah, there it is. Next up, I'd actually argue this is one of my favourite kits in 40k.
It's bloody Grimaldus, isn't it?
It's Grimaldus! Yeah, this guy absolutely slaps. If you read Armageddon, you know why. This guy is the boy.
You mean Helbrecht?
What did I say?
Armageddon. It takes place on Armageddon.
Oh, yeah. The book I've got is called Armageddon because it's got the 2 books in it. Doesn't matter. Idiot.
Hell's Reach.
Hell's Reach, baby. That's what I meant. So Grimaldus sets you back 110 points for exactly the same price of £34. And this guy comes in with little funky little servitors holding pillars and stuff.
Still not sold on Grimaldus.
Oh, I love him.
It's the face.
Huh? What's wrong with his face?
It's the...
Oh, that is haunting. Truly haunting. Yeah, no, I don't know. Grimaldus slaps. I love that.
It's like he left his lips at home.
Yes, he left his lips at home. Next up, I've actually gone with a new mini here in the Crusade Ancient.
You need like 3 of these.
Oh, well, I've only got one, unfortunately. I'm sorry to say, because the value on this guy, as is customary with 40k, is a little bit skewed. So 65 points for £26.
Not bad.
I mean, it's not very done, but
he's not Menace strategist.
Yeah, I mean, it's still pretty bad. It's a cool mini. You can customize him how you want, and I think you get some spare bits as well. Yeah,
I think he's overshadowed by another mini that I'm assuming is going to come in this list later on.
Who do you think is going to come in the list?
The Execrator.
Oh no, I didn't have him in there.
What?
Yeah, no, sorry. Well,
we're done.
At this point, I've already got 5 characters.
So, you didn't want to take the Execrator?
Between that and the Ancient.
The guy that is a chaplain on roids?
No, because I have the chaplain, regardless of roids. This guy needs no roids. He is roids. It's Grimaldus.
But the Execrator can attack with both melee weapons.
I don't care about that.
And looks cool doing it.
I think that's not the same, because you're just like, any Space Marine looks cool.
You definitely peaked with salamanders.
It is what it is. That's just what I'm saying. We've obviously got a lot of boots on the ground and not a lot of ways to carry them.
Land Raider Crusader?
Two Land Raider Crusaders! So this will set you back 440 points and £143.
Disgusting!
Outrageous.
Disgusting!
Because I was initially looking at things like drop pods or impulsors or whatever, and I was like, what's a really cool Templar-centric vehicle? Land Raider Crusader, baby, let's go. 2 of them. Yes, please.
I remember when the magic was written.
Oh.
Like when only Black Templars could take the Crusader.
Yes.
And then they gave it to everybody else. I mean, it looks cool in every colour, but
exactly.
I remember.
I just wanted to go flavourful, so I just added that. And then on top of that, because you get a Black Templar thing on this thing as well, a Repulsor Executioner. 3 big tanks. Bang, bang. The Repulsor Executioner sets you back 220 points and £71 and 50p. And?
Do you get any upgrade sprues in the Combat Patrol? I've just double checked. I don't think the new Combat Patrol comes with one.
If you bought the Black Templars Combat Patrol, please let us know down below if it did come with an upgrade sprue, and we'll pin your comments so everybody knows. Thank you.
If it didn't, add 15 quid because you got to buy one.
Yeah, sorry. Then next up, I had nearly 200 points spare, and I'd already spent quite a lot of money.
Did you buy a 3rd Land Raider?
No, because that would have been.
Did you buy 4 boxes of aggressors?
No, definitely not. No. And I was looking around and I was trying to think of other units.
You did something stupid, I can tell by your tone of voice.
No, that was also rude. But yeah, no, I didn't do anything stupid. I was just really struggling to find something that would be like Black Templar specific, but also that's not just lots of characters. Because I've already got things like 2 things of Crusader squads, 2 things of Blade Guard, 2 things of Sword Brethren, 2 Land Raider Crusaders, like 5 Black Templar specific characters. And I was like, sod it, just throw some Terminators on there. So I've got a 5-man unit of Terminators, which has 175 points and £42 and 50p. I thought it was fine. So overall, you've got 2 Emperor's Champion, obviously convert one to be a Marshal, 20 Crusaders, you've then got 6 Blade Guard, you've got 10 Sword Brethren, Helbrecht, Grimaldus, a Crusade Ancient, 2 Land Raider Crusaders, a Repulsor Executioner, and 5 Terminators.
Okay, how many points?
I think it's pretty good. 1,980.
So 20 points for an enhancement somewhere, maybe?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's technically 1,970 because you're converting one of the Emperor's Champions to be a Marshal. So you've got 30 points to spend on your Marshal, on your Crusade Ancient, and then I don't know, whatever else you want to do, I don't care. Next up, obviously you've got your codex supplement, you've got your codex Space Marines, and then you've also got your data cards as well, which is very annoying because you have to get 3 things and suddenly it racks the price right up, which is well annoying. But it lands on £629.
There's an argument here, you don't need to buy codex Space Marines as well.
So unfortunately you do, because you
Only
get...
for Terminators.
No, Blade Guard.
2 data sheets.
A whole book for 2 data sheets. Welcome to Space Marines, folks.
Yeah.
Which is a real pain in the
It's really
arse.
annoying because just word on the new Black Templars book, it's like we've got 90% of the way there to codex Black Templars.
Yeah.
And then we've...
So, £629 for all of those things above, which is pretty good considering there's like £70 in books. In dollaries? No, it's not dollaries because it's just burgers. It's burgers. We're in America. It's $1,010 in Paris or anywhere in Europe. I don't know. Euros.
Anywhere that uses a euro.
Anywhere that uses, I'm really failing at this point. €834.50. And then lastly, in the Wombat Hellscape, in the sad, sad pit of despair that is Australia.
But it's also sunny.
Huh?
It's also sunny there, though.
It's sunny, but also sad. $1,618.
I mean, it's not salamanders. This is less exciting.
It is less exciting.
This doesn't include 4 boxes of aggressors.
It does, but that's it. My excitement came from 2 Land Raider Crusaders.
Your excitement won't come when you have to build them.
Oh yeah, it's done for sure. It's done for
There's
sure.
not enough elastic bands in the world to make 2 of those go together.
Yeah, pretty minging. But it's also got all your favourites from your Black Templars range, and some really cool units from the Combat Patrol set, which is like never happens, which is great. And then we will be left with Grey Knights for you to do, which I'll be honest, a little bit over already.
Might not bother.
It's just like, oh, you're going to have to spend more money on a baby carrier you didn't want in the first place for an extra sprue.
The worst bit is I'm going to have to buy the Combat Patrol, and that includes the box Dreadnought.
Oh, the vulnerable Dreadnought.
Yeah, the vulnerable Dreadnought.
Fantastic. Can't wait.
Where do you land on this? You had a Black Templars army at one point, didn't you?
Yeah, in 9th edition. So I painted 1,000 points and then I sold it.
And then you've done it as a commission since.
Yeah.
To someone else.
Yeah, so I love painting Black Templars. I think they adhere to my holy trinity of colours, red, black and white. And I'm like, this is great. Great time. Sword Brethren, Blade Guard, unbelievable to paint in those colours. And all the characters are just like metal as hell. So I'm just like, yeah.
You say unbelievable to paint. Have you finally got over when you did 18 Blade Guard back to back?
No, I haven't painted a Blade Guard since. Truthfully, if I was ever going to do a Space Marine army, chances are I might have to because it's Tale of Two Loyalists. It will be heavily customised because I think that Space Marines in their beige state, I don't care for at all. And I think that it would have to be incredibly fluffy in order for it to work.
So, like Black Templars.
Yeah, I guess
so.
so.
Always really fluffy.
Well, I don't know. I think if you were to do, like, say, for example, last week with Salamanders, I'm probably doing what they called Forge Fathers or Iron Fathers, whatever they're called. So give them a hammer and a shield. That would look really cool. And then with White Scars, just strap loads of cafe bits to them because it's sick. But yeah, Black Templars. Boom.
In the books.
Done.
For another edition.
For sure. So
we are running out of codexes.
Well, that's good. Then we don't have to do these videos anymore.
No, we have to go back around again.
Not really. Only when it's actually worthy. Like
the Grey Knights.
Oh, yeah, well that... Oh, with a new range, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, indeed. And no doubt we'll have to do another Space Marine one and whatever else because Space Marines have a million things and they will just keep getting fed because
they'll get an army cost every edition.
Oh, God, he bought a Marines yet. But yes, thank you so much for watching this video. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that'd be fabulous. If you'd like to buy some Black Templars of your own.
Go crusading down there.
Crusade down there seems sus, but you know what we mean. Don't go do that, please. Then there's a list on the left-hand side.
It's the Kieran Show final bosses.
For sure, the final bosses, that's it. We fought all of them, and then they all lost because they're paying us. Yeah, their support means the world, and it could be you too. If you'd like to become a member, please click
Hit the links
down below. That'd be lovely. Shilling over? Anything else?
No.
Oh, good. I love you. Goodbye.